Imagine you are a part of Sofaland, a company celebrating their latest hit, the Aster Sofa. Amidst the excitement, a big question comes up. What exactly made the Aster Sofa such a runaway success? Is it the charming chenille fabric? The cozy armrest design? Or the $595 price tag? If it's the price, the team can launch more products in the same price range. If it's the design, they can launch matching furniture to go with the Aster Sofa. But unless the team knows why the Aster is so popular, they cannot make any strategic product or marketing decisions. The team needs to ask the right questions, find the right data sources, and make informed decisions based not on gut feel, but on empirical evidence. This is called a data mindset. Here are 6 practical ways to cultivate a data mindset within your team. Pose a problem or scenario that requires employees to analyze information, identify patterns, and propose solutions. These insight hackathons will challenge your team to access and use data better. For strategic projects, create problem-solving teams that have people from different functions working together. The more they do this, the better they will understand diverse perspectives and how each function impacts organizational decisions. Teach your team to communicate complex data insights in an interesting way using storytelling techniques. This will make it easy for non-technical stakeholders to understand and appreciate the value of data. Make data a natural part of your organization's decision-making process. For example, use data to support arguments, validate assumptions, and inform choices in your regular team meetings. At the end of every project, share the learnings with the team while also answering the question, if I had to redo this project, what areas would I tackle differently? This will help the team to think in both zoom in and zoom out modes. Building a data culture in your organization is not the work of one day, a week, or a month. It's a continuous effort. Put together a team of data evangelists, folks from every team who believe in the power of data, and get to work. The payoff will be worth it.